Afternoon. 13th, Friday. Is it Friday? Ah, is it Friday?
Yeah.
Not bad, Friday 13th. Unlucky.
Oh, Friday.
Ah, he's nearly done. Sockets in there for telly. We put 3 behind now. Plenty. Put loads behind there. Yeah. Socket over here, that's that aircon. Sockets there. Socket there, I've not finished that one yet. What, outside? Or extra?
Yeah.
I think she's asked for going bathroom, there's Louis. There, look. There. Couple there. That an outside one as well then. That'll be for what I call it, water pump. As you see that down there. Yeah. You give him a beer. Couple of sockets there, couple of sockets there inside the bed. With that aircon, socket there. Another one there. Sockets everywhere. Oh, I think it's only a day job. I don't know what's next. What's next?
Right. Got to waiting for the old kids doing the wall. So we start the one first, the one who jumps up, and then after that comes back.
What? Them will do blocks?
Yeah.
Alright. Yeah. Alright. Wonder why they left all the gear. I don't know when.
Until they finish that one thing. And jump that one.
Well,
when they're done, we can
at least we should get a team that won't make a balance for it like before, so. Yeah.
And then after that, plaster coming next.
Right then. Finish my beer again. Beer. Finished alright. Piss head. And you want ice cream?
Coconut ice cream.
Go on then. Right, we'll leave it at that then for now. Okay, once these, I'll come down when they're finished later. Right, here, bugger all at the minute. Right, nice calm down, they'll stop making a racket. I'll nip back down later on tonight, this evening, when they've done, and have a look what they've done.
Yeah.
And then it's just a case of suck it and see. Wait till other team comes back. I'll see you later. Good evening. Oh. they're all done. Hot conduits in. So you went back at telly, I know the two, but they put 3 in, so can never have too many. Light switches. We've asked for a dimmer switch putting in eventually. We'll see if we get one. That's where the consumer unit's going. I don't know if that's where they'll be plugging routers in when we have it into internet. Aircon. Couple of sockets on this wall. And the light switch. Sockets either side of the bed on this one. And another one over there. Light switch. I'm presuming that, I don't know if that's a light switch and a power as well, that'd be for the shower. Would have thought. I don't know. Might be a light switch combined with a bathroom socket, who knows. It's all sorted. Same here. Couple of sockets there, one last for one for Ethernet. Socket. Hot wiring for lights. Big pillars. Outside socket there. There, lights. And that's it. We've got to wait now. We'll wait for same geezers who did blocking work. We're going to come and do rendering. But they're on another job, so we've got to wait. Oh, who knows how long it'll be. Might do something else in the meantime, but we'll see. I will sign off and see you on the next one. Bye all.